Cronyism and corruption. Parliamentary opposition blasts government for controversy surrounding the award of a contract to buy 200 pre-owned vehicles for the police. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, tough talk. What the Justice Minister says could happen to motorists who do not make use of the traffic ticket amnesty.
Up in flames, job losses anticipated after major manufacturing fire on Spanish Town Road.
Customers must know telecommunication companies under fire from Consumer Affairs Commission for data charges and poor customer service.
Under pressure, Westmoreland Hospital at its limit with increasing referrals due to prolonged downtime at Cornwall Regional Hospital.
And in business news, no more charge for dormant accounts. The Consumer Affairs Commission says the vexed issue is now a thing of the past.
There's also sports commentary and weather in the primetime package, but before the break, the feedback question.
What do you think should be done with a contract to buy 200 pre-owned vehicles for the police?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.